Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the map of Bangladesh. So its location is in South Asia. All right. First, we draw the outline. So you can also already see the map is fixed and the outline isn't going to change if there's no special cases. So let's take the marker and put the borders of the country. All right. So in most cases, you have to memorize the things usually in our high school and other academic purpose. If we have the course of geography, sometimes it's in the syllabus or in the exam to draw the maps. So that's the thing. Just you need to do the practice and the map is going to be very easy. So all the curved areas and all these lines defines the borders and the outlines of the total country's presentations in the surrounding areas. Okay, so these little dots are the islands. Mm-hmm. All right. So working on the west border, which is with the India. All right, and the drawing is going to be complete. Okay. All right, so this is the map actually. Later we're going to put the colors for the whole drawing and then we're going to make it blurred. So we use the crayons, the crayons colors or the pastel color, while pastel. Then you can put some strokes here on the map like this. Awesome. So after putting this color, you're just going to use the fingers, and if you just you know do like this, then the whole drawing is going to be the blurred and smooth. Uniform colors may be distributed all over the area inside the borders of the map, and you can see the total locations and the area is defined clearly, which is a visual definitions and separations from the outside the white borders. Okay. All right, so this is the map, and for the importance of learning a map's location is that if you want to travel around the world and want to go to any particular country, then you have to know the location. So this is the map of Bangladesh, and you can see the borders with the India on the west side. This side is also India. This is also India. Here also have India, but another country is Nepal. So it's like a land which is like a strip of land, so very narrow. And then the border is with Nepal, and in this corner it has a border with Myanmar. So all these countries are the bordering and neighboring countries, and this side is the Bay of Bengal. So it's like a ocean water body. So it's a landlocked on the three sides, and on the south side there's the water, and the location is South Asia. All right, so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.